Hey everybody, today we're going to unbox the brand new GoPro Hero 10 Black. I cannot wait to take a look and see what this thing has to offer. I will also give my thoughts and opinions on it. Let's go take a look, shall we? Okay, so here it is, guys. The GoPro Hero 10. This sucker's heavy too. This is the bundle package. And then also we have the protective housing unit. Wow. That is freaking awesome. And also we have the scan disc. Alrighty, let's take a look. Look at that bad boy. Everything that includes. The housing unit. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, everybody, I came downstairs to the table so I had more room to show you guys everything. The protective unit says that it's for the GoPro 9, but it's compatible with the GoPro 10, and I'm guessing a lot of accessories are compatible. The box was pretty heavy, as I said before. Let's get on into it, guys. So, take a look right here. Case right there. Okay, so here it is. Has to be updated. This is pretty neat. Very, very neat. Let's take this out right here. This must be the magnetic swivel clip. So we'll put that bad boy over there. The batteries. Now, I will give you guys some GoPro tests on a different video. More cords there. Okay, this right here was what I wanted right here. Shorty. That is Shorty right there. No, that's... Okay, there it is. Okay, it's covered in... Oh, okay, cool. Let's take a look right here. There it is, everybody. Wow. All right. Also, as well, too, it could be a little tricky opening up the battery port at first, so I just used this screw here, and see right there, I just popped it up, and then I'll add in the battery. Everybody, I finally got it charging. Gonna get it updated. The battery's too low now. Check out the next video where we will do some test footage. I think this thing's pretty awesome. I'm gonna put a picture of what this thing offers compared to the GoPro 9 Pro Black. And thank you for watching.